So in this question we are given if x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, we need to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, x4 plus 1 by x square, and so on, these type of cases. Okay, so now what is given, we will take use of this thing only. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. We are given x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now divide equation 1 by x. Okay, so we can divide this equation by x. What we will get? We will get x minus 3 plus 1 by x equal to 0. So this is how we can get x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay, now we have x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 and we need to find the value of these things. Okay, so if we square both sides in equation number 2, what we will get? We will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9, and this implies x square plus 1 by x square will be equal to 7. Okay, similarly if you will cubing both sides equation number 2 only to this equation only, if you will cube both sides, you will get, you can just apply the formula a plus b whole cube and you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A plus b is equal to 3 cube is equal to 27. Okay, so this is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiply x plus 1 by x is 3 is equal to 27. So you get x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. So you got this. Okay, now if you will square both sides to equation number 3, then you will get on the same like you squaring both sides in equation number 2 you squared. Here also in equation number 3 you will square both sides and then you will get x4 plus 1 by x4. Okay, and if you will multiply these two equations you will get x5 plus 1 by x5. So this is how we can calculate as many values as we want, but we can learn a formula and the formulas are very easy if we know x plus 1 by x. So I can tell you this formula here. If x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then I will start from x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. This is very easy for you. I think you can calculate this. I will start from x raised to power 5 plus 1 upon x raised to power 5. Okay, because till 4 you can calculate like this. Okay, so from 5, this is what is the formula? This is a raised to power 5 minus 5a cube plus 5a. Okay, means you had x plus 1 by x equal to 3. So you can substitute 3 here. 3 raised to power 5 minus 5 into 3 cube. Okay, what is x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6? This will be equal to a raised to power 6 minus 6a raised to power 4 plus 9a square minus 2. In my one of the previous videos, I told you about these formulas and I told you how to learn these formulas. You just need to reduce the power by 2. Okay, and if we have what do we have here? 6, then 6 will be here. If we have 5, the 5 will be here. Okay, this is how can you make the formula for x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 without squaring that term. What can we do? A raised to power 4. Okay, and then minus. Okay, and then 4 a raised to power 2. Okay, and then plus 2, because signs will be alternate. You will have alternate signs and you will reduce the powers by 2. Okay, so this is very easy to make these formulas. And similarly, I told you in that video that you can calculate all powers like this, x raised to power plus 1 by x raised to power, with the help of these formulas. Okay, I hope you got this. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.